Hello there, my name is Juan Valladolid, and this is my Get to Know Me presentation for Education 458, teaching students with special challenges in a general education classroom. I was born and raised in Oxnard, California. Football is my passion, soccer. I have been playing soccer, since I was 4 years old. That's over 24 years already. Here's a picture of me in my college uniform. Football has granted me the opportunity to travel the world and earn an education that has shaped my life. I did my undergrad at the University of California, Riverside, and was on the Division One men's soccer team. I graduated with my bachelor's in sociology. This is my wife, Estefania Valladolid. I get caught presenting her as my girlfriend instead of my wife still, so I have to work on that. We recently got married and we are expecting our first baby. She is about 15 weeks and we can't wait to know its gender. This is my family. I have two brothers and one sister, my mom and my dad, and that's my nephew Eden, who is the sunshine in our family. He has brought our family closer together and we love him so much. I currently work at Aegis Treatment Center, which is a medication assistant treatment, and I work there as a substance abuse counselor. I provide individual and group counseling services to patients in recovery. I'm going on 4 years there, and I enjoy it. My drive to become a teacher came from working at the Boys and Girls Club at an after school site. I worked there as a program assistant, tutoring, mentoring. My experience there made me want to get my credentials and become a teacher in the area I was born and raised. And thank you guys for taking a moment and looking over my Get to Know Me. Thank you.